So start by getting yourself some old Christmas balls. You can usually find these 10 for $1 in a second-hand shop. Take a green one and paint a colored line around the top using orange, red, blue, or purple paint. I think you can guess where this is going. Take some googly eyes and stick 2 of them in that painted line. And then take a piece of matching ribbon and tie a couple knots in the center of that, put a little bit of glue on the side, and stick the ribbon right on there. If you don't have matching ribbons for all of your lines, you can also take a piece of paper, just fold it in the middle, and stick that on the end. Then take a little bit of white paint and draw the beak. I tried using black initially, but it didn't really show up, so I changed it to white. You can also get artistic and do the teeth if you want to, but I just did the artistic beak. Next, take a red ball and paint a blue circle right in the center of it with some UV reactive paint. You can also use blue glow-in-the-dark paint, but I couldn't find just glow-in-the-dark, just UV reactive. Once the circle is dry, take some silver puffy paint and trace around it in a circle, and then draw the interior lines to make the shape of the arc reactor. You can do whatever your favorite mark of arc reactor is. And then when you take a little black light, it lights up. And at night, hit it with the black light and it lights up really brightly. So then take a blue ball, take a silhouette of the Enterprise and tape it to it, and then paint yourself a hand in the shape of the Vulcan salute around that. Draw the outline first, and then fill in the entire thing, painting right over the paper, and that will make a reverse silhouette. Fill in the hand, just like that. Take off the piece of paper so that you can see the reverse silhouette of the Enterprise, and then take some silver puffy paint and go around the edges of the Vulcan hand and make the longer finger lines between the other fingers to define them. You could also trace around the Enterprise if you wanted to, but I just did the hand. And so there's the Enterprise silhouette in the Vulcan salute. So next, take a white ball and a smaller ball, and the smaller one is plastic, so I just cut a little bit off the bottom of that ball with a utility knife, just like that. And then I painted it white since it was silver. Took off the top and painted it white to match the other one. Then I put the top back in once that was dry. You want to put a little bit of glue around the inside of it, and then just glue that right over the top of the other ball. And then take some orange paint and paint on some little orange circles. You can also draw these first if you're not good at painting circles freehand. So make the little lines that come off of the circles, and then make those all over the little BB-8 bottom. Make some that look like they're going under the top ball. And then while I've still got the orange paint in my brush, I did the orange circle around the top, just like that, and then put the little orange marks around the base of the top ball there. And then you want to take some silver paint and draw on all the little silver designs inside the orange. I did 3 different designs, kind of recycling them throughout. And then I put a silver line around the top. Doesn't really show since the hanger's in the way, but took a little silver bead and put that. You want it to be kind of near the opening where the orange is, but on the lower side of it, of course. And then this doesn't really look like the dome, but I just used a black pony bead because it's an ornament. I'm not going to get real detailed here. And so there's the little BB-8. You can also put in an antenna if you want to, but I chose not to. So I think the BB-8 ended up as my favorite, possibly because it had the most alterations on it, but leave me a comment and let me know which one was your favorite. And so then here are all the ornaments hanging on my Christmas tree, the arc reactor, all 4 of the little Ninja Turtles, the Star Trek silhouette ball, and of course, the little BB-8 just hanging happily on the tree.